Have you ever been looking forward to the newest episodes of your favorite TV shows, only to find out they've been unexpectedly replaced by a political speech? Uh, well, that's the exact situation fans of the One Chicago series, a collection of gripping drama and action shows, found themselves in recently. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content like this. Unfortunately, tonight's broadcast of Chicago Fire, Chicago Med, and Chicago PD on NBC has been preempted due to President Biden's farewell speech. There's a mix of disappointment and intrigue as fans await the return of their favorite characters, especially after a series of surprising cliffhangers who persist. But why all the fuss over a single night without new episodes? Uh, One Chicago fans have grown to love the interconnected world of these shows, with characters frequently appearing across the series, keeping viewers on the edge of their seats. Despite the setback, NBC plans to make the best of the situation, airing reruns of the previous episodes following the political speech. Unfortunately, this means a week-long break in the ongoing storylines for Chicago Fire, Chicago PD, and Chicago Med. However, uh, fear not, dear viewers. New episodes are set to return on January 22nd, promising more intense drama, medical emergencies, and police investigations. As we eagerly await the resumption of these gripping shows, let's ponder the awkward situation in which NBC finds itself. On one hand, they want all three shows to align their programming due to an upcoming crossover episode on January 29th. On the other hand, they can't risk changing the date of this cross-series event, for it could jeopardize the carefully woven narratives as we near the release of the next episode. Let's take a sneak peek at some of the themes set to take our breath away. Chicago Med, for instance, has planned a heart-wrenching storyline around Asher, whose long-lost sister seeks a favor from her that could test their bond. And meanwhile, Chicago Fire will tackle the aftermath of Cruz hiding his actions, which might put him in significant danger. Finally, Chicago PD promises to explore Ruzek and Burgess's stability while investigating the murder of an unidentified girl. With all that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Keep your eyes locked on this channel as we dive deeper into the exciting world of One Chicago. Don't forget to hit that like button and remember to subscribe for new episodes and exclusive content